I just counted 59 chainsaws. I still have one on the way. That'll make 60 Homelite automatic oilers. So I thought I'd just kind of run through the list and see what we have. That's a Super XL automatic. That was the very first saw I bought. That's, I think, around a 68 model. That's an XL automatic. That's probably an early one, 65, 66. That's an XL automatic. That's a later one, maybe a 68. I made this one. That saw right there was discontinued and it turned blue. Just the color changed is all I know. That handle's unusual for that saw. That's another XL automatic. It's made in, I think, 71 to 75. That's a Terry made saw. It'll have a Terry made label on the other side that indicates it was made in the latter mid 70s. And that's a 1975 XL automatic version of that. They're all 58cc saws. I've got another XL automatic. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, quite a few of those. And that one's another about a 67, 68. And another XL 500. Well, one's XL 500, made in 65. An XL 400. That one's a 1970. An XL 400, that's a 1971. They made these in Canada in 72, but in US I think they were only 71 and 72. I also have an XL 400 made in 72 in Canada. That's an XL 903. That's a Canadian made XL 902. That's an XL 850, an XL 800, and an XL 800, and those are both 800 AMs, meaning that they were automatic oilers with manual overrides. This is a Super XL 922 that has made in Canada, electronic ignition, I believe. That's an XL 923, an XL 924W Western version, and a Super XL 925 made in Canada. This is a XL 98C concrete metal saw, 82cc saw. This is another XL 902. This is around a 69 or 70 model, made in Canada. That's an XL 850. This is a VI 955. And then there's a Super Homelight 1050 automatic. It's another 1050 automatic and another 850, XL 850. It's a Homelight Big Red, a little XL2 I got from a trash pile. This XP 1130G, a real good runner, 1966 saw. Homelight VI 130, that's a Canadian made saw, vibration isolated saw. That's a XL 130. There's a XL 103, an XL 102, a Super XL 130 Canadian made. I believe that's an XL 76 there. These are easy 250s, both of these, 71 and 72, or 70 and 71. Another easy 250 down here. A VI 123, Super Easy Automatic, XL 76, an Easy Automatic, and another Super Easy Automatic. That's an XL 123 here in parts. I've got a pretty large stack of new bars here and bars here, and a few boxes of chains up here. Newly restored XL 500, 1965 Homelite XL 500. Then we have an XL 400, a Terry made XL 400 up here, and another VI 123 up here, which is pretty hard to find those VI 123s. Yeah, that's a Terry made XL 400. There's a Super XL automatic, just 73 saw, I believe, and another Super XL automatic. It's a 71 saw, I believe, and here's another set. Here's a 73 Super XL and a Homelight Super Mini SL safety lock, and 71 and 72 150s. 71 had the automatic chain oiler here, or adjustable chain oiler there. The next year didn't. Later on they turned red. And we have the Homelight 410 here. Both these are 410 SLs with the safety brake lock. That's an early model, and the other one's a later model. We have the Homelight Model 2000. 114, 115 cc saw with a roller nose bar. And we have the XL, the VI 944, all vibration isolated saw. Here's a Homelight 360 with a little custom candy purple color on it. And here's an XL automatic restored, and an XL 102. So I think that gets everything except the newly arrived saw comes soon, and it's an XL 701. One of ones on my list. So I think I got everybody in the picture on this video.